The AMP biological system has kept on drawing financial backers who utilize the stage to investigate open doors its environment presence, including DeFi, the crypto market, and NFTs. That is the reason we are proceeding to screen the crypto value developments of dynamic undertakings, including the AMP value expectation. As an especially tempestuous year for venture markets attracts to a nearby, AMP's main financial expert, Dr. Shane Oliver, looks forward to 2023 and why there's space for good faith. SoundCloud, Spotify, Google, and Apple Web Recordings. The crypto local area has as of late been tense because of articulations by the U.S. Protections and Trade Commission. After the U.S. SEC guaranteed that AMP was a security token on the 2nd of August 2022, Binance U.S. will delist the token to be as careful as possible. Following the most recent expansion in loan costs, AMP's central financial specialist examined his standpoint for rates and justifications for why they might have hit their pinnacle. He additionally examined suggestions at house costs and why there is still space for additional downfalls. Because of the Binance U.S. declaration, AMP fell the week following the declaration. In the event that you recollect, Binance U.S. took a comparable action with XRP in January 2021. This case between the SEC wave actually anticipates a goal. AMP got recorded on Bitstamp on the 7th of January 2022 and opened up on Vault, a bank for digital currencies that offers AMP holders support for exchanging, loaning, getting, and saving. Vault's supervisory crew additionally ran into cash inconveniences. On account of how the market is at the present time, digital currency organizations anticipate that numerous clients should request their cash back. As such, the drop in the digital currency market is certainly not a disengaged case for a couple crypto-centered trades. Even the significant ones are involved. What's the future for AMP? The present AMP cost is $0, a 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,955,980. AMP is down 3.22% as of now. The ongoing coin market cap positioning is number 176, with a live market cap of $168,414,138. It has a flowing stockpile of 42,227,702,186 AMP coins and a maximum supply of 99,444,125,026 AMP coins. The AMP environment was first conceptualized in Q1 2019, and as per CoinMarketCap, it recorded its underlying business sector cost at 1 cent. AMP would later loosen things up in the 2021 crypto bull run and would enroll its best presentation mid-year. AMP arrived at its record-breaking excessive cost of 12 cents on the 16th of July 2021 and had before enrolled its most minimal cost at $0 the 17th of November 2020. AMP specialized examination. The new auction in the crypto market, set off by different large-scale occasions, has prompted the development of a solid negative channel for the AMP token. In addition, the monetary emergency at Silvergate and SVB, crypto accommodating banks, has brought about the depegging of stablecoins like USDC, making vulnerability among financial backers. This has provoked merchants to pull out their assets, bringing about critical selling tension on the AMP cost graph. Besides, the SEC's crackdown on digital currencies has additionally hosed financial backers' bullish feelings, causing a sharp decrease in the AMP cost graph, which has penetrated the basic help level of $0, is presently focusing on numerous basic cost levels for a negative breakout. Notwithstanding, there is plausible of a bullish inversion as the AMP token finds support beneath its 23.6% lie level and holds back nothing rally. Our point with this AMP value expectation is to offer a definite specialized examination, using master specialized markers to help financial backers in pursuing informed choices during this market pattern and contriving a beneficial speculation methodology. In view of CoinMarketCap, the ongoing cost of the AMP token is $0, encountering a slight downtrend of 0.14% in the beyond 24 hours. Our specialized examination of AMP crypto recommends that in the event that the computerized resource breaks underneath its negative triangle design, it might acquire sufficient selling strain for a supported negative meeting. Subsequently, the token might accomplish a new low in the impending days. The day-to-day cost diagram represents AMP's battle to outperform the AMA20 pattern line at $0, as the ongoing economic situations incline towards a negative situation, improving the probability of an accident. Our examination shows that the AMP token could recuperate on the off chance that it penetrates the MAMA incline pattern line, starting a new vertical convention. The AMP people group has as of late experienced critical unpredictability, with costs fluctuating somewhere in the range of $0 recent days. The AMP token at present exchanges are close to the negative area in the wake of losing support from bulls at $0. In any case, the resource has forestalled further decay by tracking down. Help at $0 is presently encountering a slight vertical retracement towards its 31.8% lie retracement. The BOP marker exchanges a marginally negative locale of 0.38, possibly pushing the AMP coin to test its help underneath $0. Regardless, a vertical remedy is anticipated as the stochastic RSI has contacted its base. On the off chance that the AMP coin breaks over its EMA 100 pattern line at $0, it might start a reasonable upturn toward the maximum furthest reaches of its Bollinger Band at $0. In the event that AMP's cost outperforms its EMA 200 obstruction at $0, it might endeavor to move higher. Then again, on the off chance that the cost falls beneath the basic help level of $0, a more extreme downtrend is expected. Assuming this occurs, AMP might plunge toward the lower furthest reaches of its Bollinger Band at $0. In the event that the AMP token neglects to hold above $0, it might set off a negative bloodbath and exchange around $0. AMP value expectation 2023. As per Cryptopolitan's AMP cost forecast for 2023, there is a bullish pattern expected, which could bring about a greatest cost of $0. The base worth is supposed to be $0, and the typical market cost is projected to be $0. The value levels of this cryptographic money could be impacted by its new turns of events and incessant updates. AMP value expectation 2024 for 2024. The AMP cost is supposed to arrive at a limit of 1 cent, with a typical conjecture cost of $0, a base cost of $0. Moreover, on the off chance that AMP structures organizations with major blockchain networks, financial backers might acquire simpler admittance to the token, which could expand its reception and market cost. AMP value forecast 2025 of every 2025. Our AMP token cost expectation expects a most extreme cost of 1 cent, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. As blockchain-based applications become all the more broadly embraced, AMP could encounter a critical cost increment. AMP value expectation 2026. AMP is expected to extend its bullish run market in the following couple of years. In light of our AMP cost expectation for 2026, AMP is anticipated to arrive at a most extreme cost of 2 cents, a base cost of 1 cent, and a typical market cost of 1 cent. AMP value expectation 2027 of every 2027. Our AMP token cost gauge expects a pinnacle cost of 2 cents, with a typical cost of 2 cents and a base cost of 2 cents. The discounted expenses, straightforwardness, security, and quicker exchanges related with AMP could add to a cost flood. AMP value expectation 2028. In light of our AMP cost expectation for 2028, AMP might exchange at any rate cost of 3 cents, a greatest cost of 4 cents, and a normal typical cost of 3 cents. As one of the most outstanding performing computerized coins, there is probably going to be a popularity for AMP later on, which could drive up its cost. AMP cost expectation 2029. As per our AMP conjecture for 2029, AMP will exchange at a greatest cost of 5 cents, showing an expansion in the ongoing cost of up to a huge degree. The computerized coin is supposed to keep a typical exchanging worth of 5 cents and a base cost of 5 cents consistently. AMP value expectation 2030.